Imagine a goddess, free and flawless, filled with the Creator's promise. Her life is lived guarded by angels who wear armor, and the arms of the universe surrounds her always. And she stays in good grace. In abundance is her residence, where she resides with the heavenly presidents and presents her presence. And her divinity is never doubted, and she shouts it. I am divinity, personified, electrified, celestially amplified. Far and wide they recognize the goddess, though they may not know her. See, some try hard, but they cannot decode her, because she was made to remain a mystery. But yet somehow she has to wear this see-through, practically invisible, bulletproof vest, because shots have been aimed and fired at her breast, and her halo is impenetrable. Because some have tried to decapitate this divine mistress, some hit her, some missed her, even tried to incinerate, but she regenerates. She reiterates. And although those attempts did penetrate her emotional shield, she does not yield. She just found herself a place to cry and called it the Milky Way, because it promised to hold her every millionth tear and a star anyway. Somehow it knew her journey would be far, deep, and away. Because her only aspiration every day was to love everything deep. So she falls deep in, and she pays deep in, and that depth has caused her to be clothed in shame from her crown to her toe, and for her sisters to be exploited to see how far they will go, and they will go deep. But imagine if the goddess was just free to roam these streets, free from miscommunications, misinterpretations, and everyone else's expectations of what and how she should be. Imagine if she could just be the goddess, unbeaten on, uncheated on, unraped and unneglected, untaped and uninfected, unbarren and unbarred, unscared and unscarred, unscreamed on, unpeed on. Imagine the goddess just dreaming on. Unbound, unshackled, and finally set completely free. Now, you could just imagine who this goddess could be, because I see her in you and I see her in me. She's the mother of us. She's the mother of we, the universal aspect of femininity, the divine womb of creativity, the creator of life, the teacher of love, the galactic wife, the mother of thugs. She wears many crowns. Supernovas and stars surround. Profound is the goddess. Watch her shine, ultraviolet, look away like that blind, so surreal yet so sublime, the lover of existence, the mistress to rhyme. She's the keeper, the maker, the taker of time. Well, hold up. I'm gonna make this my last line and confess. I wrote this so we could never forget, disrespect, or neglect the goddess.